So the rain just stopped. So after cleaning my motorcycles, time to work for my bonsai materials. So just sharing, or this is only an active. So just a slight trimming of this bonsai materials. Then we get another two over this area. So this is just an update of my for what they call this is Argao Taiwan Bonsai material. So time to start. So good morning to all of you. So for today's morning, just an update of my small Argao Taiwan Bonsai materials for what we call this pine trimming. So every bonsai artist have a different style in making a bonsai. Like me, even though the shoot or the salingsing, what they call that in English, the salingsing, it's already still small, but I need to cut them so that it will look nicer. So I'm done trimming, done with micro trimming of this material. So if you notice, there's a big leaves over here. I did not cut it because I want to this trunk become bigger, or these branches become bigger. So even though it's not so nice, it look not so beautiful, so but it's okay for me. So another bonsai materials. The root is already coming out, so need to repat this one. So we have another one here, one of my cute materials. So need trimming because there are some shoot like this one here is coming out, then that is not needed. So time to trim. So every day I do what we call pine trimming of my materials so that it look beautiful and not so crowded, or what is that, untidy to look, so not beautiful to look. So I just do micro trimming of my materials, or pine trimming. Then I should be careful because it's not so easy if you can do a mistake, because you need to wait for another how many months to recover your mistake. So we have a big leaves here. So I almost done. So this area is my front. So on the top view, it's not so beautiful, but on the under, it's very beautiful. It looks like an old tree. It's really look an old tree. When you look under, see that. So since it's done, so my explanation of this one. So when I look under this area, we need additional portion of branches going out here and also in the front, because if you look on the top view, it's not circle, its shape look like a oblong, see that, but it's still beautiful a little. So next So we have here a what we call is slanting bonsai materials. So this is just it's lying down. You need to put a stone to up a little. So I found some what we call igang or coral. I take off this stone over under and replace with this big one. Oh, not big one, a long one. Hindi mamataod. So that's better. So what I'm doing now is just sharing what did I do in my bonsai garden every day. So I am almost done trimming. Unusual shoot coming out under. So done. So there are some branches here that died. So we need to fill up that another shoot or other branches to come out this area. This is that area. But it's very nice if you look under. It looks like old trees. On my bangil is so it's very nice for me. I don't know for it's another one here. So we have a problem on this material is bent a little. So we need to find some so I get some tukon, what they call tukon in English, brace support. So take up this unusual shoot that coming in. You got a problem, you see that need to pull that a little so it becomes straight. So we need this tukon. So I look for aluminum wire to tie that. So this is how the bonsai maker do every day. Sometimes a little adjustment of your bonsai. So this wire, the remaining wire, I will not cut that one because after a few days, I will take off this one. So it's already aligned. So the camera is already straight. So time to trim. Then put a fertilizer. Then back to the area where they belong. So if you will not cut the unusual shoot coming out on your bonsai materials, that is the one that suck the nutrients of your bonsai. So these materials it make me too long to make this style because it is exposed root. So what I did to this materials is I use a cork bottle. Then the cork bottle is tall, it's long. So I plant the bonsai materials in the cork bottle. Then after several months, the root is continuous going down. Then I take off the cork bottle, then put a support on the root that is exposing this area. So this is actually up to here, the cork bottle. Then that is the area where it's exposed. Then it is already what you call it is already bending or dancing the root because I wire it that individual. So I am very sorry about my English because I am not an English expert. So I just make to an English because some of my subscriber requested me to speak English because they just understand my English and they just try to understand what I'm saying. Anyway, they can understand quite a little of my English because you know that our international language is English. Then I think followed by another foreign language. Need to take off this. So I'm done with my Argao Taiwan Bonsai materials. This is just an update, a fine trimming of my materials. So just sharing for this morning. It's today is Friday. I do not know what the date is, but it is Friday. So that's all that I gonna share on this day. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you like my bonsai and you like my video. So thank you again to my viewers, to all my viewers, and to all of my subscribers. For this morning, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye-bye.